everyone! Today we're going to draw a jellyfish. First, I'm going to start with the head of my jellyfish, and this is going to be kind of like a big semicircle. I'm going to draw the kind of separation between my jellyfish head and its tentacles, but we're going to draw them as just small little circles all along a straight line. The circles don't necessarily have to be the same size. They don't necessarily have to be perfectly straight. Jellyfish are just these living, breathing creatures, just like us. So every piece of them does not have to be perfect. Then I am going to draw my jellyfish's face, and I'm gonna do maybe something a little bit different than what we're used to doing. I'm gonna keep it real simple. I'm gonna draw one eye there, one eye here, a sly little smile, and I'm gonna do some little thoughtful eyebrows for our jellyfish. Okay, now I'm gonna draw some little circles along the head of my jellyfish just to create some accent colors. These are gonna be different from the circles below. And so these circles can be big, small, oval, whatever size you really want to make them. Kind of similar to the giraffe that we drew, huh? I'm gonna start with this nice kind of purplish pink color for the larger part of my jellyfish. And then I'm gonna use a different color for these little circles along the separation and the spots on top. So as usual, we're gonna go ahead and speed up the video during the coloring portion, and feel free to pause if you need to. Okay, now I'm going to use a lighter pink kind of coral color, and I'm going to color in the spots, these little spots, and then I'm going to start to draw my tentacles at the bottom. So jellyfish tend to have a ton of tentacles, and so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just draw in as many as I can. They're just gonna be little squiggly lines, so draw as many as you want. Okay, that looks great. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take my black marker and I'm just gonna clean up my lines a little bit here. I'm gonna probably make this a little bit darker, make sure my smiley face is nice and bright. So you can choose to do so too if you want, or if you like the way that yours looks, then that's fantastic. And there you have it, our sly and silly jellyfish. If you like drawing along with me, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.